Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your too many friends on Snapchat problem, alright? So this is same for Android and iOS, so don't worry about it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So it's as the warning says, you cannot add a new friend on your Snapchat because you have too many friends, which means Snapchat only allows you to have multiple friends or like a limited friends on Snapchat, alright? If you try to exceed that number, you're gonna get this warning. So to fix this, it's as simple as that. You need to start removing your friends, alright? So you can remove the friends which you don't talk with or like which you don't share your snaps or anything with, alright? So to do that, you can click on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. And over here, you can see where it says my friends, alright? So click on my friends. So I don't have a lot of friends, so these are only my friends. So if I want to remove someone, let's say Laura Morgan, I can hold on her name. Once I hold on her name, this thing will pop up. Over here, I can click on manage friendship and click on remove friend. Once I do that, Laura Morgan will be removed, and then I can add another new person. Alright, so just like this, remove like 4 or 5 or any number of friends you want, so you can add new people. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your too many friends on Snapchat problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.